Welcome. In this session, we'll look at how you can use Azure Monitor, Network Watcher, and Traffic Analytics to gain valuable insight into your network performance and optimize it effectively. Let's get started. Well, the first one is Azure Monitor, which is a service of Azure. Azure Monitor is your centralized platform for collecting and analyzing metrics and logs from all your Azure resources. It helps track performance, detect anomalies, and identify areas that need your attention. The next tool is Network Watcher. Well, with Network Watcher, you can access various network diagnostic tools such as connection monitor, packet capture, and traffic analytics. These tools help you troubleshoot network issues and ensure that everything in your network is running smoothly. Then we have traffic analytics. Well, use traffic analytics to analyze traffic flow across your network. It provides insights into latency, bottleneck, and traffic patterns, allowing you to fine-tune routing and optimize your network performance, whether it is all over cloud or hybrid, where your on-prem network is also introduced. End-to-end monitoring. Well, by combining Azure Monitor and Network Watcher, you can have complete visibility into your network's health. You'll be able to identify potential issues before they affect your users, ensuring that your network stays at peak performance, right from the start till the end. You can also set up custom alerts based on specific thresholds and generate custom reports to stay on top of your network's performance and security. This actually helps you proactively manage and optimize your network traffic. So let's move forward and go to our lab, where we will see how these tools can be used on Azure portal. I will see you in the lab. All right, in this lab, we will see which tool we can use to monitor and then optimize network traffic performance. So right now I'm in my Azure portal, and the tool you want to use to monitor your network performance is in Network Watcher. So you will search for Network Watcher, and then under monitoring, you will see an option called Connection Monitor. This is where you have to create your connection monitor configuration. So I will click on Create, then give this connection monitor instance a name. So I will call it NITA connection monitor. I will select my subscription and I will select my region, Canada Central. Next. Over here, you will add your source, your destination, and your test configuration. And then Azure will make sure to always monitor this connection. It will also monitor your latency, what increase or decrease or spikes you're getting in your latency. And by analyzing that data, you can monitor your environment. And in the future, you can also troubleshoot to bring the latency down or to optimize your infrastructure, especially network infrastructure. So here you will click on Add Sources. So let's add a source. The source can be any virtual machine or virtual machine scale set. I already have a virtual machine running in this network, and here it is. So I will select this virtual machine and I will select the private IP. You can even select the public IP. So the traffic can actually run within the private network, or it can also run over the public domain. So if it is running over the public domain, you will select the public IP, like this. So I will add this source point. Now, what about the destination? Just click on it, and the destination can be the another machine on some other network. I will select this one, and all right, so let's select this one and the public domain, public IP. Add endpoint. So once you add your source and your destination, then you have to add your configuration. Remember, this monitoring of your network performance cannot be just done on one pipeline. You can add multiple sources and multiple destinations. So let's add a configuration here. Now I will call it NITA configuration. Which protocol you want to test? I will just click on ICMP, the ping test. You can test that. If you want to test, let's say, RDP or any other protocol, you can also select that. It all depends like what port you're selecting. Let's select the ICMP, the ping test. Now, what will be your test frequency? Because this is a continuous process, you can select 30 seconds, every minute, every 5 minutes. It depends on your RTO, like how much time you can actually resist if your connection is broken. Or you can also add like custom. Let's see if we can add 5 seconds. Yes. How about 1 second? Yes. So this goes till 1 second. 5 is fine. And now what will be the threshold for like how many check failed? I will just say 50%. And round trip, if it goes below, let's say 60 ms, all right, then give me the alert. Add test configuration. So it's added. Now I will give it a name, NITA test. So the test group is added. Now the workspace. This must be saved somewhere. So again, I will use the default workspace where Azure will create a workspace on its own. Workspace is nothing. It's just a location where the logs will be saved or stored. Next is alerts. Well, if the threshold is not met, or let's say the latency is below 60%, is good. But if it is above 60%, then an alert must be generated. So you can just click here, select create action group. So we have to create an action group first. So click on this. Now create an action group. I don't have any email right now, but over here, you can enter the email in which you want the alerts to come. So let me just add my own test account. No, I will not add this one. I will add another one. So I'm going to pause the recording and I'm just going to add my email here. All right, I added my email. So action group is already selected. And now we can just click on this create alert. Alert rule is also enabled. And finally, you can just click on review and create. And then you just click on create. And that's it. A connection monitor will be created, which will continuously monitor your network performance, but between two machines. Remember, machine 1 and 2. This way, you can create a test monitor or connection monitor profile for multiple types of connection, where source could be your virtual machine scale set, your server, or destination can be on-prem or on any other platform as well. Now, you will create the test configuration in the center, and that's it. So that's it for this demo, and I will see you in the next one. Welcome back. I hope now you know that Azure do provide so many tools with so many services inside it, or feature sets, to monitor your network ecosystem, to make sure everything is running properly. So we can now conclude this episode. Well, using services like Azure Monitor, Network Watcher, and Traffic Analytics gives you or your organization the set of tools to monitor and optimize network traffic effectively, ensuring that your network is always performing at its best. Thank you for joining us. With these tools, now you can actually start monitoring your network. So good luck with that. And I will see you in the next episode. Take care.